It's because I bought a shirt from a guy named Caleb. It's
After
so obvious.
completing his initial round of riddles, the Riddle Parrot has discovered a problem. Your subscriber stagnation is leading to imminent _homelessness. Not to worry. He has a viral marketing strategy to save you. Bear with him. Squeak.
I'm experiencing subscriber stagnation. Fuck. I'm gonna be homeless, bro. Hello.
Attention chat. Gift. Maximilius Good Game a sub in the next 3 minutes or this channel becomes Riddle Parrot GGs, streaming non-stop riddles.
You probably just farming too many messages. Thank you for the 5 gifted. Hello.
User Kochawicha, your contribution is logged. Partial financial stability achieved. The Riddle Parrot will negotiate for additional funding. Hold.
Thank you, Riddle Parrot. Long.
Grant _approved, based on the Curator's recommendation and excellent Phase 1 riddle performance from participants.
Thank you.
The Board of Investors has approved your case. Immediate risk of the John A route is nullified.
Okay, I'm not going homeless. That's awesome.